Welcome you all. Now I'm going to be talking about communication environment. Whenever you should not communicate English as a foreign language because when students feel tired, hungry, and worried, we do better avoid the preaching of learning and teaching tendency. And you should keep focusing on something natural. Coming to body language plays 57% role of communication because in teaching or being motivated the students or someone to one's topic. It helps a lot for the purpose of communication when you have some sort of body expressions. Subject voice plays 43% role of communication because language, voice modulation, posture, gesture, eye contact, and touch make a student or a person very inspired to learn English and practice English and devoted to learn English. How to throw message? This is very important. We must have strong belief in what we say and take pride in our institution. In the midst of learning and teaching, sometimes we should make humor to give proper lesson to the students. When students make wrong, teachers should take it easy and very friendly to rectify the students. Upward communication. So upward communication goes with the teacher. Teachers must be a very good listener because teachers' attention creates a positive influence upon the students and students become a very good communicator with the teachers. But communication should be clear, precise and logical. Question and answer. Take any question with seriousness, smile and without anger. Throw questions answer with confidence, seriousness, humor, no lies and admitting ignorance. Finally, I can say one cannot learn swimming by reading a book on swimming. One can learn swimming by going to the pond or a river where he will practice the real situation. Similarly, you cannot learn how to ride a bicycle by reading a book. And in the same way, I should suggest you to practice English directly, not by reading books. Rather, practice it in real life. If you just learn speaking by speaking with others, that will be very much effective. So one learns swimming only when one starts swimming in a nearby pond or river. Similarly, the students can learn any language, especially I would like to mention English through communication. So these mentioned efforts must be made to develop the habit of communication, and this will be very much helpful for the purpose of developing communication as well. So these are the key ideas which will help you to have effective communication, and it will also give you fluency if you go through some sort of sentences in day-to-day life. That's it from here. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.